Yes, guys, I got a bidet. So let's unbox this baby. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to install a bidet. Okay, I hope you really like it, and it's an easy direction, so hopefully you understood. I also want to thank my son-in-law for installing it with me. Okay, also my sponsors for sending this to me to show you guys. And don't forget, there will be a link in the description box. Don't forget to also like, comment, and subscribe to your Mooregirl.